Hey guys, today we are making this silky smooth tart and sweet raspberry curd. The color is all natural, and with just a few ingredients you will have this recipe in no time. It takes about 10 minutes to cook and a few hours to set in the fridge. It is perfect on toast, in cakes, on ice cream. The possibilities are endless. Our version is gluten-free, egg-free, nut-free, and can easily be made vegan with a few tweaks. So come on, let's make it. We're going to start out by taking granulated sugar, cornstarch, and salt and whisking it together in a medium pan. Add the milk and orange juice and whisk until the cornstarch is completely smooth. Next, we are going to set over medium heat, add the raspberries, and cook until it starts to boil, kind of thick like a pudding. Once it is boiling, continue to boil for 1 minute, and then we are going to immediately remove from the heat and whisk in our butter. Once the butter is fully melted, we are going to strain through a mesh colander or a sieve. Make sure you don't push too hard on the raspberries, otherwise the seeds will break through into your curd. After that, whisk until completely smooth and let set for about 30 minutes until it is room temperature. Add to a jar or an airtight container and pop in the fridge. You can eat the curd at room temperature, but if you want it thick for cakes, pop it in the fridge for another 30 minutes. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.